The 4-Day SaaS: Tools, Tips, and the Process Behind the Build. Hello, everyone. My name is Alex, and I'm a technical lead with over 22 years of experience in web and mobile development. By day, I work on large-scale projects in my 9-to-5 job, but by night, I'm an indie hacker driven by a passion for building new apps and launching them into the world. Because of my full-time work, I've learned how to optimize every step of the development process, always looking for the quickest, smartest ways to turn an idea into a live, functioning product. In this article, I'll share how I recently built and launched a SaaS product in just 4 days, along with the exact tools, strategies, and shortcuts that made it possible. If you've ever wondered how to create a product fast without sacrificing quality, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The stack is important. Choosing the right stack is crucial, not just for scalability, but also for development speed. The right stack simplifies complexity, speeds up the process, and works seamlessly with AI-generated code, saving you time spent debugging and fixing. For my projects, I use Nuxt.js on the front end, NestJS on the back end, MongoDB as my database, and TypeScript everywhere. This combination strikes the perfect balance between speed, simplicity, and scalability. Let's explore why I chose this stack. TypeScript on back-end and front-end. TypeScript is an incredible choice for many reasons, but here's why I use it across both the back-end and front-end. Code reusability. With TypeScript on both sides, I can easily reuse code like validation schemas, types, and utility functions. This saves significant development time and reduces duplication. Reliability and maintainability. TypeScript static typing helps catch errors early, making the codebase more reliable and easier to maintain without adding extra effort. AI compatibility. TypeScript and JavaScript are the most popular languages on GitHub, meaning AI tools have a deep understanding of them. This results in better AI-generated code and less time spent debugging. In short, TypeScript speeds up development while keeping the codebase clean, error-free, and future-proof. Nuxt.js, built on Vue.js, strikes the perfect balance between simplicity and power. I still believe it's one of the easiest frameworks to learn, which not only reduces the chances of human errors, but also minimizes mistakes from AI-generated code. This ease of use saves a lot of time and effort during development, making it a fantastic choice for rapid project builds. MongoDB as a primary database. MongoDB is ideal for prototyping, thanks to its flexibility. Instead of designing 30 relational tables, you can create just 5 collections by nesting data directly within documents. This approach not only saves time, but also simplifies development. Additionally, MongoDB's straightforward schema structure makes it easier to provide context for AI, helping it generate better code with fewer corrections. Use boilerplates or create your own. Boilerplates are a massive time saver, and I highly recommend either purchasing one that fits your needs or creating your own. Personally, I use my own boilerplate because over years of building projects, I've compiled a collection of reusable modules, components, and utilities that I can plug into any new app. Beyond boilerplates, I also suggest relying on UI libraries, open source components, and pre-built solutions whenever possible. The less code you have to write from scratch, the faster you can ship your project. Let AI write 90% of your code. As a developer, your job is no longer just about writing code. Think of yourself as the architect, the one who organizes the codebase, plans functionality, and prioritizes features. You're the tech lead and product manager, not the coder. Tools like Cursor, ChatGPT, and others should be treated as your developers. Your role is to ensure they produce the right code by providing clear instructions, reviewing their output, and refining as necessary. By leveraging AI to handle most of the coding, you can focus on the bigger picture, reduce repetitive tasks, and ship products faster than ever before. Here are the 2 tools I rely on the most. ChatGPT. It might sound obvious, but ChatGPT remains a game changer. I use it for a variety of tasks: coding, bootstrapping project structures, writing documentation and promo content, and even analyzing data. One standout feature is GPTs, predefined AI agents that I customize to fit my stack and workflow. These agents save me from repeating the same prompts, allowing me to dive straight into productivity. Here's how I use ChatGPT. Planning and research. Using the O1 preview model, I begin by researching and planning the structure of the project. This includes outlining features, deciding on architecture, and organizing priorities. ChatGPT helps me brainstorm ideas, validate assumptions, and create a roadmap. Generating code. Once the plan is in place, I switch to GPT-4o for bootstrapping the code. It generates models, repositories, services, and other components to give me a head start. My custom GPT agent, trained on my tech stack, ensures I don't waste time explaining my tools in every prompt. It already knows what I need. Landing pages. I use it to create a structure and copy for all my landing pages. Writing texts. From basic copy to terms of use and privacy policies, GPT makes it easy. I use my own predefined GPT with a set tone and rules to quickly create any text I need. Cursor AI. Once the initial structure is ready, I switch to Cursor AI using the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model for the detailed implementation phase. It helps refine the codebase and handle deeper development tasks. You can also use Cursor for bootstrapping, but I personally like ChatGPT for such kind of tasks a little bit more. Why these two? While there are many AI tools out there, ChatGPT and Cursor AI cover 99% of what I need, from ideation to deployment. Together, they allow me to spend less time coding and more time orchestrating the project like an architect. Don't spend time on unimportant parts. Focus on what truly matters. Spend your time on features that solve user problems and deliver value, not on things like logos, design, or minor details. A great-looking logo type won't matter if your project doesn't address real pain points. Validate your idea first. If it works, you can always refine the extras later. I'll be sharing more tips and insights in future articles, so if you found this helpful, give it a like or follow me here on Medium. Check out the project I built, Unique Mail. Feel free to explore it and let me know what you think. I also help people build cool projects. If you know anyone looking to create a great MVP, send them my way. Use QR or just Google Just One Dev.